You see this? You see this look on my face? The block is back. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to another video. We have the Evo block. It finally got dropped off. It had been sitting in the shipping warehouse or whatever here in the area for about 10 days. And I was to the point to where I was certain that they lost it. I just thought it was gone because in talking to them and all this stuff, it just seemed like they didn't have a clue where it was at. And so I was just like, man, this is gonna be another massive roadblock in this whole process. But after a few phone calls and some discussions, we got the block. It's here. It's in the floor now, so we gotta get it off of that pallet, get it unboxed, we'll get it onto the engine stand, and we can begin. This whole thing has been a bit stressful, but we're good to go now, so let's get to it. Oh, you big, beautiful, square cardboard box. What we got in there? Rear main seal, there that is. We'll get that over here. All right. Get all this off of here. All right. Now we get to snip. Oh, you're tighter. And snip. Okay. Boom. Let's get the pallet out of the garage and we'll have some more space here. Yeah. Let's get you open. Engine break-in warranty. Bum, bum, bum. Oil change intervals. Awesome. This is all my info on break-in procedure, etc., etc. That in there. And ta-da! Oh baby. Trying to decide if I really want to cut this or not. This is a really nice box. It's very strong and sturdy, so if I ever have to ship anything again, this would be good to use, but also I don't want to have to pick you up right up out of the box. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the box. All right, let's get this thing opened up here. It's like Christmas morning. Ta-da! All right, there it is. I'm gonna try to keep this covered up. I'm gonna try to put some saran wrap back over this here to keep the pistons and things covered up for right now. And then we can take it off when we need to, but I definitely wanna keep stuff out of that. So yeah. Also, I'm gonna run to the store real fast and get some engine paint because this here, I guess with the hot tank and stuff, cleaning it, it ate off some of the paint there a little bit, so I want to get that painted up. So I'm gonna run to the store real fast, get some engine paint and some brake cleaner. I'm out of that, and yeah, we can begin putting on this. We'll put the rear main seal on there first, and then we'll mount it up to the stand here. Okay, we are back. We got some brake cleaner. We got some this stuff here for the rear main seal and the oil pan. And I do have some other stuff that's more like OEM, so I may use that on my oil pan, but this is going to go on the rear main seal here. Got my little printout here. Rear main seal, 5 bolts go in there at 11 newts or 98 inch-pounds. So we're going to go ahead and get the back of this seal here cleaned up with the brake cleaner. We'll spray it on paper towels, wipe it down, get it nice and clean on here and get it nice and clean on there, and then we should mount it right up. This one here is brand new, so I'm just cleaning it just for the sake of cleaning it. There's no like old gasket or whatever still on there, but you know, it doesn't hurt to wipe it down. Okay, just going back over these one more time to hit my inch-pounds mark just to make 100% sure. I am going to take my little paint marker and we're going to mark every bolt that we do in blue, so that way we know that they are tightened down and good to go. Okay, well, it said to assemble the parts within 5 minutes, and we were like right around that mark, but everything looks to have a good seal around it. And so I'm gonna call that good. Everything's marked with blue. We're all good to go. Rear main seal is done. Let's get this thing up onto the stand. Let's get you out of hibernation. And huzzah. Foot as the jack to hold this thing steady. And we'll thread that in just a skosh right there. This in. I'm gonna snug those down, tighten them down, make sure everything is kosher on there, and then we will get this thing lifted up onto the stand. Yeah. All right, got everything mounted up. I was like, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. And then I'm like, oh yeah, I have a damn hoist, so I can mount it onto that. So got everything locked down. It's all good to pick up now. Let's get this thing onto the stand. Actually, you are supposed to go in there. There we go. Bring that thing on down there. Okay, we're out the other side, so I'm gonna call that good. Woo! All right, so got this thing wrapped back up. I'm just being uber cautious here. I didn't want the bottom of the motor to be exposed and to like maybe get anything into it. I don't know. I'm probably being paranoid, but I'm just trying to be overly cautious here. So I wrap this thing back up because we can't get the oil pan on right now because we don't have this front case to go back on. Actually, let me show you. Okay, so I may have misspoke. I think I said I don't have the front case. This is the old front case. I have a new front case inside, but I forgot to order. I know it's been forever and I've had all the time in the world, but I forgot to do it. I forgot to order the balance shaft delete kit. And so I want to put the balance shaft delete kit onto the case, obviously, before I put it onto the block. And so we don't have that kit here. It is ordered, it is on its way. I just have to wait a little bit before I can put this case on. And I don't want to mess with putting on the oil pan and all that stuff and not having this on there first. And so yeah, gonna have to wait on that, but check out my workbench. I just got this thing, put it up, got some stickers on it, lots of cool stuff there. Very, very excited about this because now we can do work here, film some content here, work on things here, and not have to sit in the floor of the garage all the time when we're working on this thing. So I'm excited about that. Gotta wait on this. And so yeah, with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this off here. I am super, super excited to have this block back. That was just such a stressful headache that is now here and out of the way, and we can make some big strides on this thing, get it back together carefully. This is my first time doing this, so I'm trying to be cautious, uber cautious. And so yeah, we'll get it back together, get the engine back in the car, get it fired up here in the near future, and yeah, just make some big strides. I'm super excited about that. It's been far too long, but I can feel like we're not quite in the home stretch yet, but I feel like I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. So yeah. Looking forward to the progress. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it very much. As always, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the process, the progress, having the block back, all that good stuff. If you have any questions, drop those down there as well. Be glad to help much as I can, chat, whatever. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.